Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So first we're gonna go to settings, over here choose personalize, and then on the left side choose the current wallpaper that you have set. And here you can see your current wallpaper for the lock screen and home screen. In order to change the lock screen wallpaper, first we need to select one. So in these categories I'm gonna choose created images, just in this example, but of course you can choose anything else. And then over here, in this case, we need to tap change wallpaper here. Now we have several different categories. So let's say I'm gonna choose sea scrapes, and I'm gonna choose, let's say, this photo over here. Now here we can see the preview of the wallpaper that can be applied to home screen and lock screen. This is just a preview, but once you are ready and certain that you want to use this wallpaper, in the bottom right corner you have this check you need to press. And then you can choose home screen, lock screen, or both home screen and lock screen. So since we want to set it to lock screen, I'm gonna choose just lock screen. And this is how I can change the wallpaper only for the lock screen. However, I have noticed that in some cases, in the case of some wallpapers, it is not possible to separate home screen and lock screen. I mean, sometimes you can set it for home screen and lock screen, and sometimes for the lock screen and home screen lock screen, and sometimes it is just not possible to set it only for something. So you need to keep trying. You might need to use a different wallpaper, or you might need to repeat the process for some reason. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.